The next concept we will understand is how to insert a table, shapes, smart art, charts, screenshot respectively in a document to give it more effectiveness. Now over here you will see if the document consisting of water on earth consists of various pictures, like for oceans there is a different picture, for river there is a different picture, for lakes there is a different picture. Like in case if you want, you can make a table and you can insert a picture as well as the text area beside it to make a proper impact of the picture and of the text area. Now how to go about it? First I'll keep a cursor over here. I'll insert a table over here. I'll take a column of two columns. Uh, I'll take two columns and two columns and three rows respectively for a table. Now it has taken a pointers as there is a pointers in a column, so I'll just decrease the I'll just remove the numbering. Now the next is I'll just drag the column, like I'll just drag the table to the next portion, to this particular portion. Now as the pictures are big, so I'll just drag the portion so that my picture and my text area can be fitted properly. Now as I'm taking just the example, so in case if you require, you will put the picture and text area and the tabular in a perfect area of a document. Now first of all, the ocean, so I'll just select a picture, I'll go back to the tabular and I'll insert a picture. Over here you'll see I've inserted a picture. You can resize the picture as well. And now over here you will see I can put a text area. I'll select few of the text and I'll put it down over here. Similar way I'll take for the rivers. I'll just position the picture and I'll take the text and insert a text over here. Now and the last for the lakes, I'll take the picture and I'll insert it over here respectively. I can resize the picture and I'll take the information regarding the lakes and I'll insert it over here. Now this is the way of how you can represent a picture as well as your text respectively beside the picture in a tabular form. So this is the feature of a table. You can go to the design tab and you can insert the coloring pictures as well, or a coloring tabular form as well for your picture. You can select and see the effects. So this is the formation of like how to insert a tabular form to give a more impact to your document. So this is the way, like if there are many information which has to be formed in a tabular form, you can insert a table and you can through a table you can insert text as well as picture beside it. Over here in the tabular option you'll see that there is an option of insert table, draw table, so you can choose accordingly, or you can select it from the above how many rows or columns you require for your table. Now the next option we will see is how to insert a shape. The shapes are usually used to make a diagrammatic form, to insert to make some diagram related to the text or to the report which you have in your document. Now over here what I'll do, I'll insert a shape art. Before that we will insert new drawing canvas. Go to the insert in a shape. I'll take few of the shapes in case if I want to represent any diagrammatic form, like how it is connected, how each of the line area or how each of the reports are connected, so I can form through shapes as well. Over here you can see that there are various shapes option which are available. Now next I can use the arrow icon to make them the enlarge, and I can enlarge the arrows as well. You can see the options in the format tab. Similar way I'll insert the lining. So this way you can insert a shape art, the shapes by drawing a canvas, and you can insert a shapes to your document respectively, and you can format the shapes as well by going to the format tab. You can select the shapes, the coloring, various colors you can use. You can also do one thing, you can insert a text over here. You can add text. I'll just write activity 1. Similar way over here, activity 2. So this way you can insert a text and you can form a picture shapes over here in the shape. The next is how to insert a smart art. Like, what is smart art? Basically, smart art consists of various options like list option, process, cyclic, hierarchy. In case if you want to represent some family tree diagram or some other process like cyclical process, like how it started and ended, you can insert it over here. I'll select a cursor over here and I'll make a click to the cyclic process and OK. So this way your shape art is formed. You can change the color of shape arts. I'll choose different colors. Over here you can insert a text like 1. I'm just choosing random numbers, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how you can insert a shape art in your document as well to represent your document. You can also insert charts, like you have seen this option in Excel sheet. So you can insert a line chart, pie chart, bar diagram. A Excel sheet will be open as well as the charts. You can format the, if in case I'm choosing a bar chart, sorry, pie chart I'm choosing, I'll click OK. You'll see a Excel sheet is formed. Over here you can select your data and you can form a the charts. You can format the options whichever options you have, and you can represent it through charts as well. The next is how to insert. Now there is a good feature of screenshot, like how to insert a screenshot from the document. Over here what you can do, if there is any screen clipping which you want to take it in the other files, you can click on the screen clipping. You can go to the other document. Over here I want to select this screen clipping, so I'll select this particular part, this much part, or how much of a part you wanted to add. So I'll just click and you can see a picture is formed. You can give the effects as well to these pictures. So this is how you can insert a picture, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshot and a table to your document. You can also use word art for your headings or for your text. You can see the effect. This we have learned in the earlier concept in the home tab. You can see this options are available to the text. So this is how you can make use of the options available in the insert tab to make your document more appropriate.